In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make rice and stew, a typical Nigerian Sunday meal. If you are interested, stay tuned and let's get straight into the video. First of all, I'll be boiling the meat for this recipe and I'll be using cow tongue for this recipe. I've washed my meat and I have the pot on the fire. I'm now transferring the meat into the pot. I'll be cooking this meat until soft and tender. This is Obi Kitchen and you're welcome to my channel. To season the meat, I'll be adding some chopped onions, some curry powder, thyme, and I'll also be adding some seasoning powder. I'll be adding some bay leaf also. Let me get the bay leaves for more flavor and nice taste. Then some salt to taste, and I'll add seasoning cube too. I'll be covering the meat to simmer. After giving it this mild stir, I'll cover to simmer for a few minutes. After 3 minutes, the cow tongue has boiled and released some juice, meat stock, and the spices and seasoning has been absorbed into the meat. Now I'll be adding enough water to cook the meat proper. Enough water to cook the meat till soft and tender. I'll be using fresh tomatoes and peppers for this recipe. So I've washed, cleaned my tomatoes, peppers, onion, and of course I'll be adding cucumber into it. So I'm cutting them into smaller sizes. After that, I'll be toasting these tomatoes and peppers in my air fryer before using them for the stew. Cucumber is a game changer in your stews. Make sure you peel the back before using it. I'll be toasting them batch by batch in the air fryer, adding some salt to taste and drizzle little vegetable oil on them. Then toast. After toasting, I'll be blending them in my blender. Then I'll go ahead and season my fish. I'm going to use some fresh fish for this recipe also. Here I'm adding seasoning cube, curry powder, some salt to taste, thyme. I'll be using it to season the fish, marinate it very well, and set the fish aside. Allow it to sit until the meat is cooked. The pepper and the tomato is out of the air fryer. I'll go ahead and blend it. And the meat is cooked also. Here the pot is on the fire. Let's start making the Sunday stew. Into the pot I am adding some vegetable oil for the stew. Then I just threw in a piece of onion to check the temperature of the oil. This is garlic and ginger paste. Then some chopped onion. I'll be stirring it for a minute to build good aroma. Then the next ingredient I'll be adding into the pot is coriander powder. This is my coriander powder. The next ingredient I'll be adding is the fresh turmeric paste. Then curry powder, thyme, and I'll give it a good stir. Wow, the aroma is awesome. Has a beautiful color too. The next thing I'll be adding into the pot now is the blended tomato and pepper mix. If this is your first time on this channel, like my videos, share my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more easy food recipes. Remember, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified each time I upload a new video. After adding the tomato and the pepper mix, I'll just go ahead and add the marinated fish now into the pot. This is a delicious Sunday stew for Sunday rice. The combination of fresh fish and cow tongue is super delicious. Let me add seasoning cube and some salt to taste also. After adding the salt, I'll be covering the pot for the fish to cook for a few minutes before adding the meat. Rice and stew is a common meal found in most homes in Nigeria every Sunday. It's a Sunday special. Today is Sunday, so I'm sharing with you one of my Sunday stews special. I'll be adding the meat stock into the stew, then the meat. After adding that, I'll just give it a gentle stir. Here I have to be careful, stirring gently to avoid breaking the fish. So after stirring, I'll be adding some seasoning powder. While the stew is cooking, I'm also boiling my rice. I am going to serve this stew with white rice. Here's the seasoning powder. Just give it a gentle stir to combine and mix well. If you like this stew recipe, try it out and drop me a comment in the comment section. Let me know how it turned out. After stirring, I'll then cover the pot to cook for like 2 to 3 minutes. What type of Nigerian Sunday stew do you prefer? Is it the fish stew, the chicken stew, goat meat stew, beef stew, or my combo stew, which is the cow tongue and fresh fish? Drop me a comment in the comment section. Let me know which one you prefer. I'll be giving it a stir once again, gentle stir. At this point, my Sunday stew is almost ready. If this is your first time coming across this channel, like this video, share this video, and don't forget to drop me a comment in the comment section. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more easy food recipes. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. You will be the first to be notified. To my returning subscribers, thank you. To everyone who finds time to watch my videos, who shares, likes, and comments, thank you also. I love you all. My Sunday stew is ready now. I'll be covering the pots, then turn off the heat. And the rice is ready too. Time to serve. Bring your plates, move closer. Let's enjoy our Sunday rice and stew. My white rice is garnished with some spring onion. This recipe is super easy and absolutely delicious. This stew can also go with fried rice or jollof rice, coconut rice. Any rice dish of your choice is okay with this stew. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.